welcome to the mischief. I'm the Crafty Rat. Right, today's video is day 6, or the 6th day of Christmas for Steph Highland Homemade Crafts. Awesome, brilliant 12 days of Christmas collaboration. Right, so as we know, if you've watched my previous videos, all the even days, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 are, I think that's how I'm doing it. I got this from Temu. It's a load of little eggs with a little toy in. That was day 4's. So if you've seen day 4, you know what that was. I'm keeping the eggs, by the way. I am a hoarder, but I do have a purpose for the eggs. That's why it's there and not thrown away. Right. So I will get straight into this. There's no eggs in there. So I haven't seen any of these yet. Well, obviously I've seen 2 and 4. But both Chris and Ella have seen them. So they've got more of an idea of what I'm getting than they do. Right. So this one, let's have a look. Ooh. Okay, that's cute. I know exactly what I'm doing with this one. It's a little Santa. Yeah, know exactly what I'm doing with this one. I only know that because I've been through all my Christmas molds. And I got this one out thinking, I wonder if I'm going to have one of these that I can put in a specific place. So, keep your eyes peeled. Right. No, you won't need to keep your eyes peeled because for me, I need to dig it out. Right. I'm going to shut my camera off now. I'm going to get what I need. Probably change my gloves into some blue ones because I don't think I'm using UV in this project, and I will be right back. Right, so super straightforward pot this is going to be. Hopefully I can get it done pretty quick. Right, so excuse me. Just because why I didn't do this beforehand is beyond me. There we go. Just got to quickly take this out and then I'll show you what I'm doing. Right. So it's a Santa gnome, and it's a little pot. So we've got the lid, which will go like that, and then the pot itself. Right, as I've done in quite a lot of videos recently, there's not got to be anything different on this one. I am quite literally going to be sticking that in the hat. I think I'm going to attach it just on sticks, keeping it super straightforward because, or I might not, I don't know yet. However I do it, I'm going to be putting it in, filling the resin up to that point. Clear resin with glitter in because I think it was Karen made a comment and I agreed. It looks like a blizzard. So I'm going to be putting a little bit of glitter in and then filling it up with clear up until that point, and then I'll be doing a quick second pour just for white because, you know, it's Santa's hat. It is kind of a weird shape, so I'm just wondering if I might have to tilt it slightly. I'll have a think about that. So that's the hat. Now, this, I am just going to be painting it or burnishing it with mica powder. Nothing fancy at all. Super straightforward. And yeah. And I think I'll probably do the same. Fill it up most of the way. No, in fact, I'm going to be filling it with white resin, so it don't really matter. So I think I'm just going to get straight in on this. I will be doing it inside out. Right, so here goes.
She's a crafty little snow ray, yes she is. With her tiny hands, she spins her bliss. Knitting scarves for the frost and mittens for the chill. Building snowmen that hum by her will. Oh, the snowflakes whisper her name. In the icy air she stakes her claim. She's crafting little snowmen, oh what a sight. Casting spells to make them sing through the night. Bells are ringing, oh they jingle so bright. She's a crafty little snow rat spreading delight. She's shaping reindeer from the frosty white. Their noses glow in the moon's soft light. Robins perch on her knitted wool stockings, chirping songs that send the world rocking. Oh, her magic, it's gentle, it's true, turning winter gray into a sparkling hue. She's crafting little snowmen, oh what a sight. Casting spells to make them sing through the night. Bells are ringing, oh they jingle so bright. She's a crafty little snow rat, spreading delight.
Right, so that has been painted. It's not the neatest, but I think I've covered it pretty well. I did cover this. I wasn't planning on covering this, but I did. There is bits of pink on it, but it's the inside of the pot. Not sure what that'll be like. However, done the rest. Rosy cheeks, pink nose. Right, so all I'm going to do now is figure out how much, well, I'm going to have a clean up, doing that off camera. Figure out how much resin I may need for this. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the glitter to the clear and pour that. And then whatever's left, I'm just going to add the white to and fill this one up. So keeping it as straightforward as possible. That is the plan. So as I say, I'm going to have a quick tidy up around here, and I will be back once my resin's poured and you'll be on the zoomy zoomies. And yeah, I'll have a think about how I'm doing this. Not entirely sure, but you'll see it zoomy zoomied anyway. Right, catch you in a few.
It's a crafty day of Christmas, what will it be? I poured a resin tree so sparkly, so free. The little rat squeaked, make one for me. A festive mess, a merry spree. Oh, it's glue sticks and glitter, a ribbon parade. Paint on my fingers, mistakes are homemade. Each day's a surprise, what joy it will be. It's a crafty mystery, a crafty mystery. Yesterday was candles, wax dripping down. Tomorrow could be wreaths or a pom-pom crown. Scissors are snipping the scraps cards on the floor, the dogs wearing tinsel, oh, chaos galore. Who needs a mole when we've got a plan? With a hot glue gun in our busy hands. Oh, it's glue sticks and glitter, a ribbon parade. Paint on my fingers, mistakes are homemade. Each day's a surprise, what joy it will be. It's a crafty mystery. Pipe cleaners twisted into candy cane swirls. Beads and baubles, we're festive squirrels. The clock strikes 12. What's next to create? A stocking, a star, a sparkly plate.
Right, so this is cured. So let's take a look. Right, so there is a little bit on this one, which I knew there would be. Oh, lovely. Right, might need a little bit of editing required to this. Typical. Yeah, I'll get Chris to snap that off a little bit. However, aside from the additional extra bit, try not to cut myself. That ain't too bad. Just got to pause the camera just for a moment to see if there's anything I can do. If not, I'll get Chris to get it off. So I'll be right back. And just like that, we've got rid of the wood. The bottom is still, yeah. So once I finish recording, maybe in the morning, because it's like 11 o'clock PM, or is it 10? It's late. What I'm going to be doing is sanding this down just to flatten all this off. So it has moved to the back slightly, but that still looks pretty cool. Right, main thing, we've just spent Chris has just spent all that time sorting that out. We don't even know what this part's like yet. So the red is very pink. Oh. Right, let's have a look at this. I'm just putting the mould the right way around. Right, so that's actually come out really nice. So let's see. What I like about this is there's only one way the hat can go, and oh my god, sorry, I really like that. That is awesome, if I do say so myself. Now, there are lots and lots of bubbles in this part, but I'm going with it. Because yes, I put glitter in. And with the bubbles, it kind of looks like snow. So yeah, I'm going to work with that. So yeah, I'm definitely going to get Chris to sand that down to make it flat. But that is today's video. So I hope you've liked it. Please like and comment below, that would be much appreciated. Please go and check out Steph's collaboration playlist, again linked below. All the videos that I've seen so far are absolutely awesome, and when I say so far, we're on day 2. And I'm about to demold a mould that I've seen 2 other people already use today. That's all I'm saying. I just hope mine are half as good as theirs. But there we go. So as I say, please go check out the playlist. And just to say that in the description box below, you've got links to a lot of the products I use generally. Because this mould and this Santa thing I got from Temu, I can't get the links for that. I do struggle with that a bit. But for the products that I normally use, I've got the links. Plus, I have a load of discount codes, so go and save yourself some money and use them. And there is also a link to buy me a coffee. Anything that will be donated through that goes straight back into the channel. And I've also got a link to my Amazon wishlist, which is updated on a regular basis. So if you want to and are able to, yep. Sorry, I keep looking at this. So yeah, please go check out all the links, check out all the other videos, and I will catch you tomorrow for the next one. Bye guys.
In a little shed by the railroad track, she's turning nothing into something that lasts. Resin pours like a flowing dream under the glow of a dim kerosene. Glitter jars and colors so stark shimmer like stars in the deep dark park. Her hands stained with the art she weaves, a touch of magic in the things she leaves. She's the